Hello everybody, welcome to Tamilchef. In this video, we're gonna see a super recipe which is made out of chicken. Yeah, the biryani partner, chicken leg kebab. Who says no to this recipe? Let's get started. Around 500 grams of chicken legs, washed, pat dried. Now you can make slits in the chicken. Minimum 2 to 3 slits will be good enough to go. 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. If you want your chicken spicy, you can use the regular chili powder. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and a teaspoon of table salt. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Ginger will be higher in the side. Half a lemon, freshly squeezed lemon. 3 teaspoon of cornstarch for binding. I'm going to use gloves so that we don't want to make our hands really dirty. Let's mix the chicken with all the ingredients completely mixed together. You may require some water, sprinkle some water and mix it thoroughly. Look at the chicken, it's perfectly coated. Now you're going to wipe off the sides and store it in the refrigerator for minimum 2 hours. As long as you rest, the taste the better. Add enough oil in a kadai, heat it up, maintain medium to high flame. Add the chicken legs into the oil, holding for a while and leave it gently into the oil. The reason we hold for a few seconds, it will not stick into the bottom. So repeat the same process and add the chicken legs one by one into the oil. After adding the chicken, leave it for a couple of minutes so that the masala coating will get cooked nicely. Then gently mix the chicken, turn into other side. The chicken need to be cooked for minimum of 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, the chicken will be completely tender. Look at the color of the chicken. After 15 minutes, it was fried perfectly. We need to maintain medium to high flame so that the chicken will not get burnt. Avoid using any food colors to the chicken. After 15 minutes, the chicken was fried for the perfection. The chicken leg kebab will sound really great with any of your biryani preparation. Give a try to this yummy recipe and share your feedback in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, please do consider subscribing to our channel and share with your friends who loves the chicken leg kebab along with their biryani. Thank you so much for watching. This is Chef Naresh signing off. Have fun cooking.